dear friends, I'm Emily from Lamtech Machinery Company in Foshan, China. Today I will introduce our hot-selling models, the flow packing machine LP450 stamp paper design. This machine is suitable for packing the soft strips and unorganized items such as the towels, t-shirts, fresh fruit, vegetables, and ice lorries. Okay, then let's see how this machine works. The first step, we need to set the packing parameters on the controlling panels. Its interface features are easy settings and quick operating. We can adjust the packing sleeve, the back length for packing different items. These two patterns are the sealing temperature controls. We can adjust the temperature according to different film materials to make the packaging sealings more firmly and nice. Okay, the second step, we will put the product on the belt feeding conveyor. The feeding conveyor can be adjusted according to different size of the product. Then the product will go through the feeding conveyor to the main packer. You see these two devices. It will connect it to the computer. When there is some product going through, it will continue the sealing. And if there is no product, it will avoid anti-sealing. And you see, this is our stamp paper device. This is a film loading device. And this is the eye sensor. If you want the printed films to wrap the product, you need to turn on this function. It will trace the color marks such as the black mark to finish the completely packing. And then the product will go into the back maker and going smoothly to the middle sealing device. You see, this is on the back sealing is on the top. And then the product will going through to the rotary end sealing. And this is a safety device. When you open this print, this device will give signals to the computer and sealing will stop to avoid danger. And another feature of this device is the Schneider 3 servo control. It makes the machines working more stable and intelligent. Now let's see how this machine packing the plastic goods. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to know more about these machines, you can go through Lamtech website to contact us for more details. Thank you. Bye.